Good evening to all my dear students and audience. Today we will learn about the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, there are certain rules which we have to keep in mind while making or framing the sentences of English or from Hindi to English. First of all, main verb, that is the third form of the main verb will be used, and the helping verb has and have. I, we, you, they, and plural subject with these have as a helping verb, plural verb will be used. She, he, she, it or singular subject has will be used. If the sentence is negative, then has not and have not will be used. Have not. If the sentence is interrogative, has and have will come before the subject. These are the simple rules. Thus, there are certain two important rules which are very necessary to keep in your mind. Such as important rules are these. First, I want to clear it. If the sentence is in Hindi, you will find the chuka hai, chuki hai, etc. at the end of the Hindi sentence. Then you translate it. Subject है plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. That will be easily, and I will tell you again further. But I want to clear from your mind who are appearing in the army clerks, who are appearing in the 10th class and 11th class or board examination, etc. The action completed in the recent past. Action completed in the recent past. Work has completed in the past time, but has its impact or effect in the present time. Work has completed in the past, but effect or influence or impact is in a present time. See the sentence, I have already revised my lessons. The student or anybody else had revised the lesson before writing this sentence, before giving the answer of question. But impact is now, effect is now. Somebody is asking, parents is asking, or teacher is asking, have you revised your lesson? Then he will say, I have already revised my lesson. It means this sentence has a action has completed in the past, but effect or impact, or you can say that is the effect is in a present time. Hence, work has completed. There is no doubt. There is no any continuous in the tense. But completed has completed, it means where the work has completed, then we will use the present perfect tense. Granny has looked after the author for a long time. Here, why I have written has a long time for, before the time when you will learn about the present perfect continuous tense, then before or since will come before the time. But here, has and have will also come before the main verb, and third form of the main verb will be used. But if time is he is indicated towards the fixed time, then you will have to use for or since before a long time. For example, I want to write another sentence. I have cooked my rice since 2 o'clock. Here the definite time. This person is saying that he has cooked his rice since 2 o'clock. Mother fixed time, that is the fixed time. He has done his work before the 2 o'clock. And you can also write, I have cooked my rice before 2 o'clock. That will also be correct. Now, second important If the main clause is in future tense, future perfect, if a main clause is a future perfect, then adverb clause will be in present perfect. Main clause, there are two sentences. First is the main clause and second is the sub clause. Main clause will give the full meaning of the sentence and sub clause will depend on the main clause, main sentence. Likewise, we will here see when you have passed 11th class, this is the clause, adverb clause. This is not the main clause. It is the adverb clause, adverb of time. When you have passed 11th class, you will, here is comma, you will have been promoted to class 12. This is the main clause. If you have passed, this is the condition. This is the when a student has passed the 11th class, he will be promoted to the 12th class. We will be promoted to the 12th class. It means it is the main clause. And if he will not be promoted if he will not pass the 11th class. It means 11th class is in future perfect and this main clause is in future perfect and the sub clause is in present perfect. Then we will, according to the condition of the future perfect main clause, we will write here present perfect tense. Now these are the two main clause and you will have to keep in your mind. Now further I want to tell you, I have written a letter just what if you comes in a sentence, then you write here have and third form of the main. I will explain further more 6 sentences. Have you killed a snake just now? Just now here has come here and it is have. Now she has gone to school. This is the work completed in the present time. That is called the present perfect tense. Now I want to clear more about these present perfect tense. You see, we take only one sentence and you will be clear about all these sentences. I have written a letter. It is a present perfect tense, affirmative sentence. I have not written a letter. This is a interrogative sentence of present perfect. I have written a letter. Interrogative sentence. It is the interrogative sentence of present perfect. If the have helper has come before the subject and there is the third form of the member. Secondly, have I not written a letter? It is interrogative plus negative or interrogative. Thirdly, fourthly, why have I written a letter? How I don't. Thirdly, why have I not written a letter? Interrogative sign. Now these are the 2 to 4 to 6 sentences. This is affirmative sentence, is interrogative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative plus negative, WH interrogative sentence, WH interrogative plus negative sentence. इसे हिंदी में आते हैं आई हैव रिटन ए लेटर, में एक पत्र लिख चुका हूं, मैं पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूं, क्या मैं एक पत्र लिख चुका हूं, क्या मैं एक पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूं, मैं एक पत्र क्यों लिख चुका हूं, मैं एक पत्र क्यों नहीं लिख चुका हूं. इनके आधार पर आप कितने भी सेंटेंस यू कैन मेक फ्रेम द lot of sentences on the base of these. If here is the she, singular noun she or he, then you can use here she. She has written a letter. Now you can make a according to the 5 more sentences on the present perfect. I have written a letter. मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. As I told you in Hindi, these are very important. Tomorrow I will tell you about the some other rules of present perfect and we will compose about these things. Thank you. Lot of thanks. कुछ नहीं